Hello everyone, welcome back to a video. Hope y'all are having an amazing day as usual. If you're new, please make sure to like, subscribe, and always comment down below. It really helps out the videos. So this is the blizzard of 2024 here in New Jersey. I'm gonna walk around for a bit and just show y'all how bad it is out here. Super deep. It started snowing last night and it's still going. It's very heavy snow as well, and I think it's gonna stop later this afternoon. It's still about 10 o'clock in the morning, but it is just so thick. Very heavy snow. Like I said before, surprisingly, the river isn't frozen. It actually doesn't feel that cold right now, honestly. I mean, I'm bundled up, so maybe that's why, but I'm not like freezing. I have an umbrella, which is kind of silly, but not really at the same time. I'm gonna walk to the Garden State Parkway, see what it's like over there. Man, this is just brutal. And I only heard about the snowstorm yesterday. I didn't know about it last weekend. It's beautiful though. Yeah, last weekend it was nice. It was like 50 something degrees, so it wasn't too cold, and I thought that we would have an early spring. But then just 2 days later, a snowstorm comes through. I would say this is a blizzard, man. I mean, they might not consider this a blizzard, but I do. There's a car behind me. Jesus Christ. What are you doing on the roads? Go home. Go home, dickhead. Anyways, my apologies for that. I'm trying not to keep the phone wet, my phone wet. Although I don't know if that's really an option. So my phone is a little wet right now. I'll probably have to just put it under a bunch of towels and just dry it off so it doesn't get damaged. What's interesting is there's been a bunch of pickup trucks with shovels, like snow shovels on them, and they've just been coming up and down shoveling the roads, which is interesting because it hasn't been the town. It's been these pickup trucks. Yeah, the town doesn't usually pave the roads, shovel the roads until all the snow is on the ground. Which I guess makes sense. Although major roads, you just have to keep clear. This is a busy road, but not like a main street, so they don't have to constantly clear this road, but a lot of the major roads definitely need to be kept clear. Transit is still running today, but yeah, not many people are out. As you can see. I'm not a fan of the snow. I don't panic when it snows, believe me. I work at a supermarket, and yesterday the store was so busy. It was crazy, but less people panicked than I thought. Last time there was a snowstorm, which was in January, it wasn't too bad, although it was very icy. All the old people were panicking like crazy. Like there was no tomorrow, buying up bread, milk, everything. But that snowstorm wasn't too bad. It was just really icy. This time, when no one predicts a snowstorm, when it just comes out of nowhere, this is what happens, I swear. I don't panic when it snows, I just get annoyed. I hate the snow. Although you have to admit, it's very beautiful out here. We haven't been getting that much snow lately. I mean, the last few winters have, you know, been kind of quiet, but this year, man, this year's been cold. We've had 2 snowstorms. We'll probably get another one too, because I swear it always snows in March. Always. Like, March is supposed to be, you know, spring is coming up, but it always snows on like the first week of March. I'm not crazy either, because I've seen it happen. Whew. I don't know where those pickup trucks went. I guess they're further up, or they're plowing other roads, I guess. Not sure. But it is really just dead out here, man. It's beautiful though. Do y'all like the snow? Comment down below. I could even kind of slide. I was gonna try, you know, but it's not really working too well, because we are kind of going downhill a little bit. This person left their garage open. It's not smart. Yeah, I wonder where those trucks went. They kept coming up and down, but I guess they're further up the road or something. I'm not sure. But here's the difference between this road, which gets paved once in a while, and this road, which I'm guessing hasn't been paved at all. Why am I saying paved? Cleared or shoveled at all since the snowstorm. And as you can see, yeah, they really don't do too good at clearing the side streets. Major roads, yes, but the side streets, absolutely not. Tonight, I'll probably shovel the driveway and stuff. Yeah, I'm not shoveling until all the snow is gone. That's just how I do it. I'm not going to shovel like, there are some people I've been seeing that are shoveling right now. That's not smart, because the snow is, you know, still coming down. So there's no point in shoveling. Just stay inside until it stops. My guess is by tomorrow, everything will be back to normal though. I hope. Well, this road was cleared. So is this one. But now we're no longer in Montclair. We're now in Bloomfield, New Jersey. I guess Bloomfield's better at clearing their roads than Montclair is. With all the taxes, oh Jesus Christ. With all the taxes people pay in Montclair, they can't clear the roads as fast as Bloomfield. You know what? Both towns pay a lot of taxes, so matter of fact, the whole state does. It's New Jersey, baby. Highest property taxes in the country. So this is a main road right here, and it looks like it's somewhat cleared, but I want to check the parkway. I want to see if there's maybe a lot of traffic. Maybe there's no traffic on the Garden State Parkway. I'm not sure. I'm sure the supermarket I work at is still open today. ShopRite's probably open. I'm not working today though. I worked yesterday and I'm scheduled to work Wednesday, but I'm not working today. They didn't schedule me. Okay, so this road is somewhat clear. You know, not bad. Whew. Yeah, I gotta just go like this with the umbrella because the snow is coming this way. And that means my phone is gonna get wet, like really wet. So I'll just try and hold it like this and see if maybe this helps. It kind of helps. So we do have cars because this is a main road, so you know there's gonna be a few people out and about, but not many. Jesus Christ, I hate this weather. I feel that winter is definitely the longest season. It feels like the longest, at least. I know every season is technically 90 days, but in New Jersey, winter starts after Thanksgiving, or right around Thanksgiving, and ends in April. March is not like spring for us. Absolutely not. But we also don't get a lot of snow in New Jersey. Today, however, that's a different story. We're gonna try and cross here. Yeah, it's really not a safe day to be driving, honestly. Looks like we have somebody shoveling. No? I thought I heard a truck backing up. I guess not. This is just thick, man. It is not stopping either. It's just been consistent snow for hours. Whew! I hate this. So you're probably wondering why I'm walking in it. I just want to show y'all what's going on. Stay the F home, because it's getting even worse. Now it's just getting windy. There you go. So there's a little entrance, not really an entrance, but kind of this trail that leads to the parkway. It's right here. So I'll show y'all what's going on. I'm wearing a ski mask too, because I don't want my nose to burn or freeze, whatever. Holy shit. Ah, man, it's getting worse, I swear. All right, well, look at how deep this is. This is the parkway. This trail leads to the Garden State Parkway. Maybe we'll see a couple road crews clearing up the road. I hear one right now. They're usually in orange trucks, like that one that just went by, doing their best to keep the parkway clear, because the parkway is a very busy road, so it has to stay clear. Very important road to New Jersey. Highway, I should say. Yeah, there was a dude salting right there, a truck. Look at this, man. I'll tell you, look at how deep everything is. Look at my footprint. Oh my God. And then there's probably people in Buffalo or Syracuse that are probably like, this is nothing. To them, it's not. To me, this is hell. I hate the snow. I hate winter. I'm just waiting for spring at this point. Look at how deep everything is. I'll get on top of this little hill here. Yeah, I mean, there's not a lot of cars. It's definitely not busy. But there definitely are people that still have to go to work, you know, essential jobs, so they got to get to where they need to go. And the parkway is probably the best option because they clear it the most. But you definitely have to reduce your speed. The speed on the parkway is usually 55, 65, but with all this snow, you probably have to go 35, 45. You can see a bunch of plows over here. I'm getting a little close to the highway, but here it is. As you can see, it's pretty clear, and I can barely see any of the cars, but the sun is nowhere to be found, and it's just getting blurrier and blurrier, I swear. The snow's getting thicker and thicker. Yeah, if you don't have to go out, don't. I probably shouldn't be out. I should probably be at home right now. But I'm here documenting this to you guys. And I'm gonna snack on some snow. I heard that it's actually dangerous to eat snow, but I've been doing it my whole life and I've been okay, so. There go the iconic orange trucks that clear New Jersey roads. I could have used my bike, but I probably wouldn't get very far and I would probably slip anyways. I hear a truck coming in this direction, but I don't know where it's at. Oh yeah, it's coming. Does anyone want to see a plow? I bet half of y'all in the comments are probably like, no, I don't care, but I'm gonna show you anyways. Damn. Look at this right here. They're taking up the whole road. There they go. I better get out of here before one of these people calls a state trooper, because I'm probably too close to the highway. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. That's gonna be for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and God bless to all you guys.